How to increase or decrease alarm volume on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on sounds and vibration. From here, tap on volume, then we scroll down and then drag on the alarm slider bar to decrease the volume or increase the volume. So as we drag towards the left, the sound will decreases, and as we drag it to the right, the volume will increases. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.